What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is Nisi Casiano, and today we are joined by a man who needs no introduction, who is fighting for a world title on March 1st in Qatar. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Joshua Pasio. The Passion, kamusta?
Woo! Ito kuya, we're 4 weeks, I think 28
Less
days na lang.
less than a
Less
month.
than a
Yun
month.
ang yun ang gusto natin malaman, less than a month. Kamusta ang mindset heading into, sabihin natin, the final days of training camp? Kamusta?
Ay,
Kamusta ang wavelength? Kamusta lahat?
of course, syempre hindi lang talaga physically sinasabi natin dyan. Lahat. Physically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, dapat 100% ready. So far, ayos naman lahat. More focused like 2 weeks na lang na 2.5 weeks na lang na hard training and we're good to go.
Speaking of training, kamusta? Of course, ang gusto nilang malaman is the adjustments made by Joshua Pasio heading into the rematch. Bago natin pag-usapan the difference, ano yung mga gusto mong baguhin, ano yung mga gusto mong gawin in the fight. Pero ano yung pinakamalaki, ano yung significant changes or adjustments na ginawa ng isang Joshua Pasio? Of course, syempre yung mga iba dito under wraps, 'di ba? Hindi naman natin pwede, 'di ba, to give it away fully. Pero yung mga pwede natin on the surface na pwede natin tumbukin na
Mhm.
ano yung mga certain
Oo.
steps na ginawa ng isang Joshua Pasio heading to the rematch. Ayun, ayun. Ano yung mga bago? Ano yung mga certain adjustments,
Of
certain
course, yun muna.
yan.
Isa talaga. Isa talaga is, of course, me as an athlete. Talaga, papasok ka sa gym, yun nga, yung talagang you feel at home. Yun naman yung importante eh. Not just an
Oh,
athlete, but ikaw naman na as an employee. Kung
oh.
siyempre, confident ka, happy ka sa environment mo, then you will go talaga. Yun yung isang
Hmm.
um, matinding naramdaman ko ngayon going to
Hmm.
into this fight camp, and yun
Hmm.
nga yung support ng teammates ko nandyan palagi, and of course strength and conditioning natin kay Kuya Vince, no, more on yung sa explosiveness natin and sa speed, and of course yung um, fight simulation na ginagawa namin sa
Hmm.
training, and lahat na, and of course kay Prof. Gibran and yun sa ading niya kay Kuya Gadwin na pumunta pa
Hmm.
dito para matulungan lang ako. Gadwin pala is one of the best jiu-jitsu athletes here in the Philippines, and
Hmm.
of course member of Sambo
Sambo.
Philippine Team.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
maraming
Oh.
salamat sa kanya.
Oh, yun na nga yung bala kong elaborate. Si Godwin is a national athlete for the Philippine Sambo team. At of course, ito nga
Yeah.
si Vince Loman, na strength and conditioning coach ng Sniper Gym. At syempre, pag sinabi nating Sniper Gym, ang madali natin ma-associate doon ay si Stephen, the
Yeah.
Sniper Loman. Of course, nabanggit mo na yung simulations, Joshua. I saw it firsthand as well. Yung strength and conditioning. Meron ako, according to my sources, meron kang mga hidden, may mga secret weapon kang pinadala dyan sa training camp mo to supplement you with other aspects. Let's put it that way, with other aspects of
Mhm.
the fight game. Anong feeling na you're getting all the necessary help, and at the same time you're getting that kind of support, and that support that is very beneficial for you to be motivated, dahil ang gusto naman din ng lahat is to get that world title back?
First of all, syempre, kung ano yung nakaramdaman ko, syempre happy. Happy
Mm.
talaga kasi ah, I'm going in there, fighting the best, not just in my division, but one of the best in the world. So I need to be ready. And of course, kasali na yan, mga sacrifices, mga um, ano na to, yun, mga sacrifice talaga para makuha yung right strength, right work, right nutrition.
Mm.
Yun nga, I'm blessed kasi yun, nakuha din natin yung condition nutrition, one of the
Mm.
yung nutritionist nila Haverty, yung
Mm. Super
sila
leg. Yeah.
super
Mm.
tech.
Mm.
So,
Yeah.
of course, I put my trust in them na kasi
Mm.
yun nga, sila na yung bahala sa
Mm.
nutrition ko hanggang sa fight day.
Joshua, eto, I have to address the elephant in the room. Okay? Is itong nakukuha mo, it seems like this is the ideal training camp. Ito yung training camp na gusto mo. At least sabihin natin 90% na tupad for this preparation. Itong sa darating na rematch. Is this
Mhm.
something that you didn't have the first time around na naglaban kayo ni Jared Brooks?
Yes. Yun talaga. Yung concentration noon, wala.
Mm.
And of
Mm.
course, marami kang iniisip, ganun. Pero ngayon, right now, I'm just focused right now. Kasi tapos na yun eh. I'm just
Mm.
focused right now on, yun nga, I'm so blessed na ito, provide lahat ni God yung mga kailangan natin going to this fight.
Mm. Joshua, since nabanggit mo na nga yan na you have everything, at least sabihin natin 90-95% nasa iyo na for this training camp. Uh, do you think malaking pagbabago ang magiging performance mo sa rematch? Kasi yun yung inaabangan ng mga tao because a lot of people feel, including si Lito Adiwang na nakausap ko recently, is that
Mhm.
ang naging focus nun is yung focus ng first fight parang ang nangyari, masyadong binantayan yung wrestling ni Jared Brooks. Parang defense, defense,
Mhm.
defense. Pero ang nakaligtaan is paano lumaban si Joshua Pasio? Ano yung best traits ni Joshua Pasio? Ang tanong na lahat,
Mhm. Yeah.
will we see the best of Joshua Pasio? Not only the best of Joshua Pasio, but Joshua Pasio fighting as Joshua Pasio in the rematch.
Yun yung talagang linalabas namin dito sa training camp. Yung walang hesitation sana na uh, lalabas sa laban. Yung walang hesitation na kailangan kong bantayan to. O syempre may mga bagay na kailangan mong
Hmm.
bantayan pero
Yeah.
is mixed martial arts. You don't uh, focus on just one aspect of the game. So kailangan lumabas yung mga kombinasyon natin. Kailangan lumabas yung yung talagang gusto mong ibitaw sa laban
Hmm.
na wala kang inaalalang take down ako, matitake down ako. Mga ganun. So, it's just, you know, pinapalitan yung mindset,
Hmm.
no? Kasi
Hmm.
yung confidence mo, you've been one of the best in the world.
Hmm.
And yan, dapat yun din yung kailangan mong ipakita sa laban na to. Yung ganun. Yes, you're fighting the best in your division, pero dapat wag ko din kalimutan na I'm one of the best.
Hmm.
Yung confidence talaga, na talagang bitaw mo yung mga kombinasyon na kailangan mong ibitaw sa laban.
Joshua, saan ang gagaling yan? Yung sabihin natin that fire. Of course, you want to get the title back. You want to avenge your loss to Jared Brooks. Pero apart from it, merong layers eh. Ano yung,
Mhm.
is it more na sabihin natin na may question? bang naglilinger sa'yo all this time since that fateful night last December of 2022? Meron bang question mark na parang gusto mong sagutin na parang ito yung limit ko, gusto kong mabasag yon at mapatunayan ko na parang ito pa, may kaya pa akong gawin as a competitor?
Ayun eh, at that night, pagkatapos nun, I realized umabot kami sa round 5. Umabot kami sa decision. And yun nga, umabot kami sa decision na talo ako na hindi ko na ipakita na yung mga gusto kong ipakita sa laban. So, yun yung gusto kong ipakita talaga ngayon na hindi ganun yung performance na
Oo.
dapat na ipinakita ko noon.
Oo.
Gusto ko ipakita, of course, yung mga tumulong sa akin ng mga tao, mga coach ko din sila, Kuya Edward, sila Coach Don Don. Sinabi nila yung mga errors ko nung last na laban. So, dito din nag-fuel yung, okay, kailangan natin tong gawin. So,
Oo.
talaga yung teamwork, yun talaga yung napakaganda dito sa fight
Hmm.
camp nito.
Hmm. Joshua, lahat curious kung sino ang makakasama mo sa corner sa laban na to. It's going to be very different. Ah, hindi ko masabi kung drastic different ang mangyayari. Pero gusto malaman sino ang makakasama mo before ako mag-lead dun sa susunod kong tanong.
Hmm.
Ah, kasi may usap-usapan tayo na parang before na sabihin na natin ganito na parang you didn't get what you really want for that first fight. And that includes the right people na you think na dapat nasa corner mo sa laban na yon in that first fight. Ngayon, Josh, sino ang makakasama mo dito and how confident are you na meron kang support system heading into that fight just in case it goes to full distance na naman ulit?
Siyempre yung makakasama ko sa corner ko is yung mga nandun palagi sa training ko, yung mga
Hmm.
nandun palagi sa sparring, sa lahat ng ginagawa niya si Kuya Edward and si Coach Don Don. And yung iba pa sana kaso mahirap
Hmm.
yung alam na natin
Ah.
visa sabihin na natin mahirap. So
Ah.
gusto ko din sana sila Kuya
Ah.
Gadwin and Coach Gibran.
Ah.
Pero there's some issues kay
Ah.
siyempre
Ah.
mahirap din
It's
kay
beyond
Kuya.
our control, ika
Yeah,
nga.
yeah.
Oo. Yun, Joshua, it's going to be very different this time around. And the current criticism, the prevalent criticism ngayon is because of this. One, ang una kong tanong, are you motivated now to win? Not because you want, but not only because you want to bring the title and also settle the score with Jared Brooks. Pero to set the momentum for Lions Nation MMA. Kasi unfortunately, Danny Kingad, he fell short against Yuya Wakamatsu. Is that an additional motivation now for you heading into the fight?
Oh, siyempre oo, dagdag motivation. Pero the thing na inaccept ko tong laban na to, motivated talaga ako na manalo.
Ah.
Simula pa nung uh, simula pa nung pagkapanalo ko kay Mansur, I know na it's going to be a rematch
Yeah.
talaga.
Yeah.
I know that
Mm.
it's going to be a rematch.
Mm.
Naka-ready ako kahit sino man yung ibato nila sa
Ah.
rank 2 to 5
Ah.
kung sinong next. But
Mm.
motivation talaga is to get that rematch, and here we are.
Ah.
Talagang motivated tayong manalo this time
Ah.
around.
In relation to that, Joshua, mas mga maraming hindi nakakaalam eh. Hanggang ngayon, ang mixed martial arts on the surface pa lang, kung ang majority ng tao nakikita on the surface pa lang pag nakikita mixed martial arts, they, kung comprehensively comprehend yung sport, medyo mahirap pa. And we're here to make them understand about the dynamics of the sport. And hindi nila nakikita, it's multifaceted. And also, it's a chess match. And of course, na pepe-pre mo to the best case possible, the worst case scenario. Maraming preparation. And the situation dun about kay Danny is talagang nagkataon, it wasn't, sabihin na natin na parang nobody expected Yuya Wakamatsu to
Mhm.
fight that kind of,
Yes.
in that manner. So everybody
Yeah.
was surprised and hindi naman nila nakikita yung facet na doon. Pero what's your opinion? Of course, it's going to be the same question na ibabato sa'yo. Ang hinahanap ng karamihan ng tao ay yung wala doon sa team. Na syempre, of course, na malaki na ang malaki, sabihin natin na naging parte din ng career mo. Let's put it that way. Ngayon, Joshua, ano ang opinion mo that? O ano opinion mo regarding that? Is it, kasi of course,
Mhm.
ang magiging ano nila, yung hindi naman nila din malalaman na parang, oy, lumaban na rin naman si Joshua Pasio last October against Mansour Malakaev under a new banner. Pero what's your perception of that? Ano ang magiging response mo? Of course, in defense na rin for Danny Kinghead, na parang sinasabi nila, kasi wala yung tao na to dahil natalo si Danny. Mga klaseng ganon,
Mhm.
Joshua. Without, syempre, putting you in the hot seat. Pero ano yung response mo dito heading to the fight na this is it. All in ako dito sa team na to. And I think this is still the right people to guide me for my, sabihin natin, bid to get back or to recapture the one strawweight MMA world title.
Yung masasabi ko lang sa mga tao na medyo tayo kasi na athlete is alam natin eh.
Oh.
And hello kaya.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Naririnig kita. Naririnig kita. Go ahead.
Sus.
No, 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 no. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead. Sige lang, Josh. Go ahead.
Um, para sa akin is that's the beauty of mixed martial arts. Yung beauty ng mixed martial arts is yun nga, reviewin mo yung kalaban mo, review ka din. Ganun eh. Pero ang hirap din ang hirap pa din ipaintindi no sa mga tao talaga yung kung ano yung mixed martial mixed martial alam niyo gusto nila manood mixed martial arts suntukan yung terms pa
Oo.
lang nila in the comment
Oo.
talagang they still have uh, huwag naman
Oo.
nating sabihing zero pero
Oo.
konting knowledge about
Oo.
the sport
Oo.
so it's hard kung boxing lang oh ganda
Oo.
isa eh. Isa lang eh. Suntukan
Oo.
lang.
Oo.
Pero in mixed martial arts,
Oo.
talagang you need to experience it
Mm.
para maintindihan mo yung sport.
Mm. Yeah.
Yun
Oo.
yung sinasabi ko. So, ang hirap i-explain.
Oo. Naintindihan ko naman, Josh. Ngayon, speaking of preparation and of course the intricacies and the complexities of mixed martial arts, yun na, nabanggit na nga natin na parang it's a chess match eh. Pag-aaralan ka, pag-aaralan mo rin. Pero ano yung mga ini-expect mong adjustments from Jared Brooks? And of course, the question is, do you have a surprise for Jared Brooks? Dalawang tanong, Joshua.
Ito. Yes, we have a surprise to Jared Brooks and expect na he has a surprise also to me.
Hmm.
So, depends na yan. I know na pinanood niyo yung laban ko kay Mansour Malakir and I know some of
Hmm.
his game plans and
Hmm.
his moves.
Hmm.
didepende yan sa performance ko doon. So, yun yung review natin. And of course, yung mga kung saan ako nakuha nung last fight namin, alam ko it's battle of kumbaga battle of utak to. So it's not just me, but of course we're brainstorming kila Kuya Dondon, Kuya Godwin, and Kuya sila Prof. Gib, Kuya Edward, kung ano yung mga possibilities na gagawin niya, yung mga gagawin niya at hindi niya uulitin. So, alam ko kung paano niya ako take downin. Pero, syempre, nasa sa akin din yan kung paano ko
Mm.
magre-react sa lahat ng gagawin niya.
Mm. Josh, yan, we touched on the topic about nutritionist. Bakit sa puntong nitong ngayon mo pa naisip na mag-incorporate ng nutritionist? Alam naman natin na pag-usapan na natin yung someday, iniisip mong mag-flyweight. Tapos, alam naman natin din na nagkaroon ng konting takot dun sa weigh-ins last
Mm.
October. Dahil ang sabi mo, umapa ka kaagad. Kuha mo naman actually yung timbang. Mga klaseng ganun. What led you to that decision na parang, okay, kailangan of course, syempre, may iba magtataka, bakit ba? Nahihirapan na ba ang isang Joshua Pasio to get that 125-pound limit for one championship strawweight? Ano ba to? Or you just want to maximize yung sabihin natin, at least for you to get that optimal performance come fight night?
Ito. Kaya kong makuha yun. But, yun yung proper way sana. So, yung mga past na ginagawa namin is kanya-kanya kaming experiment kung paano makukuha
Ah,
yung weight and hydration.
ah, ah,
Yung past na 2016 hanggang
mm,
2022, kanya-kanya kaming research.
mm,
Wala,
mm,
it's not provided.
mm,
Wala, hindi
ah,
provided. So,
ah,
kanya-kanyang research kung paano makuha.
yeah,
And di namin, syempre, research yan sa internet. Ito yung proper. And of
yeah,
course, kung may class nga ng nutritionist is, gusto ko sanang mag-attend
yeah,
Pero wala So, yun, yung proper na food
mm.
na habang kakatweight
Recover.
ka.
Uh,
Oh yes, proper recovery. So, I think yun yung isang aspect din na tinitingnan namin kung bakit uh, yung performance ko nung last na laban namin ni Brooks. Kasi nandun dun ka. Pero bakit ginajab straight ako? Hindi, huli,
nakaka-react.
huli yung,
Yeah,
huli yung katawan ko. So,
uh, mm,
ang daming aspects. Yun
uh,
yung tinitignan din namin. Yun
uh,
din yung hindi alam ng mga
karamihan.
tao. Karamihan.
uh,
So,
uh,
there's a lot of aspects kung bakit
yeah.
ganun yung performance,
Mm,
ganun yung performance natin sa laban.
mm,
So, kung walang weigh-in, weigh-in
uh,
mas maganda.
uh,
Pero,
uh.
syempre, there's a weigh-in in hydration. So, be
Josh,
professional, get that way,
uh,
get that hydration
uh.
in a proper way.
Josh, malaki bang tulong to? At was wala ka nang iisipin. Meron ka ng taong nag-handle ng diet mo. At least pre-fight and also post-fight.
Of course, syempre, malaking tulong ito. And of
Mm.
course, yeah, it's our first time to do it with them. So, syempre, makaka laking tulong talaga nito going to
Oh.
this fight camp.
Josh, matanong ko lang, Qatar, Middle East country, second event ng One Championship in the Middle East. Ang nauna is 2014 sa Dubai. Ngayon may partnership with Qatar. It's going to be it's monumental. Not only for Middle East but also for One Championship. Pero wag nating kalimutan ay yung Qatar, napakalaki ng Filipino community. How is it like na kahit pa paano, alam naman natin na parang gusto mo, yung December 2022, nangyari yon sa Mall of Asia Arena, meron kang hometown advantage. Pero papasok ka sa laban na ito na parang din meron ka rin hometown advantage dahil napakalaki ng Filipino community din. And for sure, manonood sila sa magiging laban mo. Joshua, your reaction to that at the same time, may pressure ba na you have to perform dahil at the same time, may mga there's a ton of Filipinos in the crowd pagdating sa laban mo on March 1st.
Ayun, ito, ang dami nang nagtatag sa akin sa Instagram, sa Facebook, like 1 month to go. Tapos titignan ko yung profile, at Qatar, Pinoy,
Ah,
taga Qatar.
ah, ah,
Yun, ang dami ng Pinoy na excited. So, I'm so happy, I'm so blessed na,
ah,
yun nga, first time sa Qatar. And parang Pilipinas din kasi maraming
ah,
Pilipino.
ah,
And na-expect ko din na sa US yung
ah,
rematch namin. The same din, maraming Pinoy. So, I'm so really blessed na yun nga, parang Pilipinas din pag pupunta tayo sa Qatar. Expect na mapupuno, mapupuno, pero like 70% siguro, 50 to 70% ng crowd is um, Filipino. So, yun nga, na-expect ko pa din na ako, si Denise, tapos sana magdagdag pa sila ng Pilipino in this
ah.
fight card.
Hmm. Josh, speaking of performing in front of our countrymen, Josh, gusto kong malaman, with putting everything into consideration, you have the ideal training camp, you have the reason to be motivated and determined at the same time. You feel the hunger to get that 26 pounds of gold. Joshua, masinsinan na tanong, masinsinan na usapan. Your prediction coming to this fight. How do you see things play out? And how do you see this, in your opinion, winning this fight or this rematch against Jared Brooks?
Um, I see two things. I win via knockout or a decision. Kasi hindi basta-basta si Jared Brooks eh. He can also strike, wrestle, whatsoever. But I can see two things. I win via knockout or a unanimous decision.
Joshua, nakikita ko sa iyo nung nagkita tayo. Napansin ko nung nagkita tayo a month ago is it's the same vibe when GSP prepared for Matthews, the rematch. Napapansin mo ba yung
Well,
resemblance na yon? And we all
yan
know
yung,
we all
yan
know what
yung kun
happened in the
eh.
rematch. We all know what happened in the rematch. Pero nakikita mo ba yung nakikita mo ba yung at least yung parallels heading to the fight?
Yan din yung iniisip ko eh. Of course, syempre, pag nag-scroll kasi ako sa Facebook, I'm a fan of George St. Pierre.
Hmm.
Pero, yan yung mga naiisip ko eh.
Ah,
Ringing match niya, talo siya dito, ringing match niya,
ah,
nanalo. Eh, yung nakikita ko ng proper work ethic ni GSP noon.
hmm.
Hindi siya hindi siya ma-pride na natalo siya pero tinignan niya yung mga weakness niya nung kailangan niya and he worked on it. So, parang yun din yung isang dagdag motivation going to this fight
Hmm. Hmm.
para sa akin.
Josh, alam kong gusto mong makuha yung title. Alam kong gusto mong makaisa kay Jared Brooks. Pero this is also an opportunity for you to solidify your stature as the king of rematch. Tama ba?
Tama. Oo.
Nobody does it the second time around like Joshua Pasha. Tama ba?
Tama. Tama yan.
Well, hanggang dito muna tayo, and of course, I hope to see you soon. Joshua, baka meron kang batiin or nais pasalamatan na sumusuporta sa iyo pati sa Lions Nation MMA.
Ayun, gusto ko lang pasalamatan lahat ng mga fans na nandyan palagi na sumusuporta sa amin. And of course, gusto kong pasalamatan lahat ng mga taong tumutulong sa akin going into this fight. Tumulong sa akin dito sa fight camp. Alam nyo na lahat kung sino kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And yun, mga Pinoy dyan sa Qatar, hintayin nyo ako. We're coming March 1. Iuwi natin yung belt.
Ayan, mula na mismo kay Joshua Pasha. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Joshua Pasha. Champ, maraming salamat sa oras.
Thank you, thank you.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest content from the MMA Superfan. Again, I'm Nisi Casiano with hashtag
And again.
and again, one strawweight MMA world champion Joshua Pasha. Till next time.